Hello and thank you for joining me in this video. What we're going to be covering is an easy way to create YouTube thumbnails on a website called Canva. And where I'm at now is a site called Unsplash, where you can get free stock photography. All you have to do is give attribution or a link back to the Unsplash site, and you're good to go. So they're copyright free. So let's make our way to Canva first and take a look at things. This video is for anyone who wants to improve their thumbnails, but they don't know how to use Photoshop, or you don't know how to use any of the other programs. Well, this program you don't really have to know a lot. It's really just kind of you just click something, drag and drop type of thing, and you're done. So it's Canva, canva.com, and when you get there, you sign up, you're presented with something like this, and you just want to select YouTube thumbnail. So it provides the proper dimensions already. And another good thing about Canva is it comes with these pre-designed templates that you can use. Most are free. Some do carry a charge, so you just got to make sure you look for that. Like this one, it would cost like $1. They're like $1 each, but most are free, and they have the free little icon there. So let's pick an image on Unsplash to work with. So let's make it easy. Let's just pick one of this picture right here, and all I have to do is download the picture. And if you want to give you should give attribution. Just copy that, and you'd put this in your description. And so I've got the image, and so now I'm just going to go back to Canva and click on Uploads here, and click Upload your own image. And I'll go where that image is, right here, and open, and allow that to load in. So now I'm just going to click, or you can drag it if you want, and kind of stretch it so that it fits the area of the thumbnail, and then kind of shift things around the way I want. Now you have the option of using a filter. So the filter is right here. Click on that, and you can kind of thumb through the filters here. I could use that one or something a little bit more dramatic. So that one looks pretty good, and then you can try the other ones, whatever you like. So I'll use that filter. And really, if you're good to go there, if this is relevant to your video. But if you want to add a little bit more, let's say that you want to add a little bit more some text, and you want to highlight that text. So I'm going to type in square, and I'm going to select this right here. And what I'm going to do is change the color. I'll probably tinker around with the color a bit, and I'm going to in this particular video just make something like this and put it to the edge. I think I'll change it to kind of like a red, and a deeper red, something like that. Maybe that goes. Then I'm going to copy it, and right here there's a little icon where you can kind of tilt it. I'm just going to put it right there and size it the way I want. Okay, so I've got that. If you want to put your text there, I just go to text and click on add heading, and they have three kind of sizes. I'm just going to pick the biggest size and put best. So I'll just put best. I'm going to change the font to Anton and change the size to about 80 and change the color to white. No, actually I'll leave it, I'll leave it black for now, and I'll show you why. I'm just going to resize this a bit and resize this a little bit, and take this and put it like that, right there, and kind of center that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the text and click copy. Then I'm going to turn that white. So now I'm just going to overlay that to where it kind of gives a little pop like that. Okay, now I'm just going to do it again. Best vacation. Now I covered up the boat, probably the best part of the video. But you can move things around the way you want. I'm going to pick the same size and do the same here. And keep that there. Click on the text, copy that, change the color to white, and kind of overlay it to where it kind of pops a little bit. So I can do it this way. Okay. However you want. And there we go, best vacation. And if you want to add more, that's kind of over. So what I really want to do is kind of do that like that, where it's not, where it kind of overlaps a little bit there, and kind of position that like that, and there we go. So best vacation. And if you want to add more, you can just go back to square, click here, select the color. It remembers the color, and if you want to put that there, like I would say best vacation ever, and I want to put it maybe this way. Okay, so now I can go back to text, and or I can just copy that again, bring it down, click on it, highlight it, and put Eva on there, or ever, and color it black. That needs to be a little bit, the bottom, this needs to be a little bit bigger. So there. And add that in there, center that the way you want. If I want to kind of make it like that, that might work. And it might not. Let's see, let's make it go this way. And just kind of put it right there. And there. Copy that and change the color. And there you go. And that's a really easy way to create thumbnails, and you can change any of the colors you want. And of course you can put it over there if you want, because this is covering up the boat. But that's one way. Let's erase all of that, and let's say that we do not want to cover up the, probably could there, it's an easier way. So you want that boat to be kind of highlighted, so I'm going to enlarge the image where the boat is kind of more prevalent. I'm going to change the so we can see the boat a little bit better. Let's see, so I'll just put it back to normal. And let's go back to the square, bring this out. Just kind of bring it to the side here. And I'm going to change the color. And now I can kind of, right here, I can change the transparency. Just lighten it up a little bit so you can see the picture behind it. And add some text. So here I put best vacation ever. And I'll change the font to something I want, like this. Change the size. And kind of put that right there. And what I'll do is I change the color of the text. And as you can see, that's kind of the spacing is kind of wide. So I'm just going to click on spacing and change the height to something like that, where they're closer together. And maybe do that just a little bit to grab attention. And let's see, what else can we do? Let's make that gray, copy it, and then turn that white, and do it like that. So one thing I don't like that, so I might turn the bottom, make sure I got the bottom one, put that over there. The bottom color red, the red that we had before. Let's see if that works. Now, a popular color that's on YouTube is a bright red and sometimes a yellow. So let's try yellow. And it's usually like a deeper yellow, something like that. And just do undo if you mess up, and take that top one and kind of give it. You can't really see it, so let's change the color of the top. Make sure it's the top one is a white. So I'm going to make it maybe, let's see, maybe a little darker. No, you can't really tell. So what I might lay it 3 ways. So make that, copy, so you can kind of see it, and make the bottom one black. Make this one black, yellow, and then the white on top. Okay, the yellow and the white should be on the top, but it's not. So what I'll do is just arrange and make sure push it forward, and put that on top there. And did that help? It looks better with the black. But if you want that yellow, maybe just change the yellow. Let's change the yellow color a little bit. It's too bright. So just click the plus sign and you can darken it a little and see if that helps. Yeah, that helps a lot. You can have that yellow on there. So best vacation ever. And if you want the background a little darker, just slide it a little bit, and there you go. And you can even change this color, because that might not look. Yeah, it looks okay. Alright. So I think that I'll end this video here, and if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'll put the links to Canva in the description if you want to use it. And again, it's totally 100% free. So this is an easy way to make your thumbnails. So I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
over the clouds at night was born to fight.